morning. It's about 2 seconds later from our last clip, but welcome back to another Curious Kiwis video. Today we are at the Pics peanut butter factory and we're going to do some tasting and it's going to be awesome. And then we're also driving to Blenheim and we're going to do a whole lot of other things too. So yeah, let's go into the Pics peanut butter factory. We're going to do a tasting, maybe a tour. I don't think we're going to get on the tour because it's quite busy, but we're going to do some tastings and buy some peanut butter. So let's go.
Go.
We're gonna get peanut butter tattoos. It's very hardcore.
We're gonna have a tasting. So what's that?
So this is one of their honeys. Ooh. Where do they stop that?
This is the one that we just tasted right now.
Bloody good.
Yep. Oh yeah, it's a different taste than the other one.
And what is this made out of?
Whitaker's milk and dark chocolate.
And peanut butter.
Good. Oh, and peanut butter. That's good, eh?
Yep.
Okay, so what are we gonna get? Yes.
We're gonna get a boysenberry jelly and
Peanut and chocolate butter.
yes. Oh my god, that was terrifying!
Ghost memes, ghost memes. That's pretty.
Wow.
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 Are we there yet, memes?
Almost. Alright, we found a different track. Hey! Woo! Found it! Yes! Geocache found. Now we're gonna go like 2 minutes down the track to Suspension Bridge.
Come, come.
Yippee! I've had 5.
There's a good memes. Alright, while the girls are having a toilet break, the man is gonna quickly grab a geocache. Alright, I found the cache. Only took me 3 minutes after reading that it is a blue bison tube. Ta-da! Let's log it. That's probably red wine, isn't it?
No, you don't say.
And there's a geocache with 54 favorite points, so they might taste gin while I'm getting another geocache. Oh, that is cool. Oh, that's very cool. Oh, the memes is coming. The memes is coming. The memes is coming. She didn't want to take any gin. Did you not want any gin?
Are we going into someone's dungeon?
Yes.
Oh, I finished with the gin.
Cool.
It was nasty.
Come, and you need me because it says like you need a tall person. Ooh, look at these people.
This is fun.
That's so hidden. Anything at height?
Okay.
Could it be?
Oh, it could be. Oh, yeah, grab it. Come on. Yes.
Yes, it is. Okay,
Come
but
on.
I don't want to drop it. Got it.
Yes. Yes. Family's helping.
But I'm gonna try to put it on by jumping. It might fail.
Yeah, just jump one straight. Nah. Do you want to lift me up?
Oh, yeah, I can.
All balance there.
Rachel's lightweight.
Oh my god. Ready? 3, 2, 1, go.
No, wait, I need you to.
Geocache got wine. Okay, so it's nighttime now. We're at our hotel. We are going to go to the Amaka Aviation Heritage Center tomorrow, and it's going to be so much fun. But there's also something happening that you don't know about.
What?
I'm going to see how long it takes you to figure it out.
What, tomorrow? Is there something else going tomorrow? We're gonna fly the plane. We're gonna fly the plane, memes. Did you sneaky book it?
I booked it.
You sneaky bastard. You sneaky bastard.
Tomorrow morning at 10 AM, we will be going on a Boeing Stephen flight.
Oh, that's nice, memes. Am I going alone or you gonna come
We're going
with me?
together.
Oh, that's nice. You're gonna come with us.
We're going on a flight tomorrow.
We're gonna fly, yay! I hope I get like one of those leather hats.
You do, and goggles.
And goggles.
And a leather jacket.
And a leather jacket in like one of those scarves.
You do.
That go go.
You don't get the flappy scarf, but you get the hat, the goggles and the jacket.
That's nice. This can be awesome. Thanks, me.